Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video we are gonna break down NAS100. I'm back. I'm back on YouTube. I had a huge pause. Well, uh, I was not so active. I haven't been uploading for like um, I don't know, 4 months right now. And I deleted all my old videos because I didn't like those videos. But yeah, now I'm back on YouTube. I will upload like 3 times a week. Uh, Mostly it's gonna be breakdown videos and the student results. Um, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do in the future. We're gonna do. I'm gonna be very active on YouTube. I'm back on YouTube. Um, and yeah, I'm back. So in this video, we are gonna break down NAS100. Um, as you guys, I think most of you guys has been seeing this in the Telegram group, in the public Telegram group, which I shared. Which if you guys haven't followed, um, it'll it'll be a link down below it. But yeah, you can just follow right here, GWRFX_27. You can follow my public Telegram group, which I post a lot of chart analysis and student results. Um, and yeah, but that is not what we're gonna talk about today. Today we are gonna break down NAS 100. Um, the trade that I had, I think I think it was 1 to 19 or 20 R2R on this trade. And we can just look at this, and it was around 250 pips, 250 pips trade. Amazing trade. Supply and demand order flow. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me why don't you use Wyckoff anymore. I feel like Wyckoff does not work like it used to do before. So that's why I don't use it anymore. I don't know, for some people it works Wyckoff, but for me, I feel like it does not work anymore. So that's why I moved on into order flow, supply and demand, pure order flow. 90% of my trade is based on order. I mean, all of my trades is based on order flow, supply and demand. So now, yeah, I trade supply and demand order flow, and I have also a course about it, which I teach people about order flow. Which, if you guys are interested, it'll be a link down below. But yeah, now we're just gonna break down the trade. I'm not gonna break down a lot about the trade. It will not be a very long video because it's my first video. I don't wanna make it too long. But yeah, we will do I'll do my best as possible. So as you guys can see, I think some of you guys might know, but I trade in a big volume areas. So big volume areas means basically I trade in the I trade in a cheap price. I try always to buy in a cheap price and sell at an expensive price. But when we are trying to sell an expensive price, we need to see the order flow, right? So I don't close my trade until I see a supply order flow zone in an expensive area. Then I will close my zone. I don't have a TP. All right, so that's what I wanted to mention. But I don't have a take profit. Um, I close my trade until I close my trade when I see a supply order flow zone. So now in this situation we have a demand zone, right? And it tested, we are on profit. I'm still holding my trade. I have been closing 50%, which I can't tell you guys where I closed 50% because that is some course material, but it's fine. So I closed 50% and now I'm letting the rest run until I see a order flow supply zone in a expensive price. Why I mean by prices, here are the prices, and I'm trying to sell an expensive price and always trying to buy in a cheap price. That's what I mean about selling expensive and trying to buy cheap. All right. So yeah, as you guys can see, and I also have a before picture actually, which this was all shared in the VIP group. The before and after, I told everyone to buy. But yeah, as you guys can see, it touched my zone, and I told everyone to buy because we have a huge order flow zone right here, and people are basically getting trapped. People are getting trapped right here. A lot of people are getting trapped right there. A lot of people are getting trapped, but then looks like that the buyers won, right? So when the buyers won, we had a huge volume building up for like 5 hours. I think it's 5 hours. A big volume is building up, but as you guys can see, we have a huge move up. After when people has been getting trapped, the market moved up very, very aggressively, right? So when the market moved up very, very aggressively, I knew when it comes back and touch my zone, I will look for some buy, because we have people that have been getting trapped in here, all right? So many people have been getting trapped right there. Okay, so when the market moved up aggressively, as you guys can see right here, but then we had like a 5 hour, I think that this is like 5 6 hours of consolidation. We had a 5 6 hours of consolidation. That means that, yeah, basically, um it is a huge consolidation. Volume is building up right here, which is fine. I still had my order flow zone, which was in a very cheap price, as you guys can see. I tried to buy in a very cheap price. So we had a consolidation, but then the market moved down aggressively. It moved up a little bit. When we got the break, looks like that for the people who buy it right here got some profit, but for the people who has been buying and selling right here, most of them got a loss, right? But yeah, the market moved up, then came back down very, very, very aggressively, right? We had way more sellers than buyers, right? We had also some buyers, but we had way more sellers. For the people who buy right here, they all got stopped out. Well, that's fine. For the people who are selling and didn't close, they all also got stopped out. But for the people who are selling aggressively down with big contracts, we trapped all of those trader, right? We trapped all of those trader because we had way more. I don't want to say, but we had trapping going on around there. People has been getting. What I mean by trapping is people has been losing money in here, a lot of money in here. So when the market moved down aggressively, there are on average 5,000 people who are buying right here on average. This is just an example, guys. 5,000 people uh, who are buying right there. So that's what 5,000 people who are buying and 5,000 people who are selling. So that's why it created a big consolidation and a big order flow zone, right? So that's why, because if we would have more buyers than sellers, the market would go up. But here clearly, as you guys can see, so the market moved sideways. So that means that we had 50-50. So there were buyers and sellers moving the market right there. So and there was something special with the zone, which I can't explain, but there was something special with the zone. That's why I had that zone as my POI. So when the market moved down aggressively, we knew that the market would go up, and we would fill all of these orders, all right? We would fill all of these orders. So all of these orders would get filled, and all of those people will get lost. Not all of them. For the people who has been closing, they already got profit. For the people who has been selling and they have been closing, they already got profit. But there are some people that didn't close. They haven't closed. So yeah, all of those people got trapped. All of those people got filled. This is the after picture, guys. So here is where I took a couple of buys, and here's the after picture. As you guys can see, the market moved up very aggressively, and we made some money from this. And yeah, as I said, guys, all of these people who are selling right here, there might be like 30% of them closed their trade, but most of them didn't close their trade right here. And yeah, all of those people got filled, as you guys can see, and we entered right here, so we got profit, right? We entered right here. We buy it in a cheap price, and now we are trying to sell at an expensive price, right? I hope you guys understand. So as you guys can see, we buy it right here. Had some drawdown, like 3 pip drawdown, but that's fine. Then the market moved up very aggressively, and we made some profits. And so all of these people got filled, and the market moved up very aggressively, and we closed 50%. And now we will close the rest of the 50% when we see a huge supply zone, and then we will look for some sells. But until now, we are just looking for some. We are just waiting for the market to create a order flow, demand or supply zone. As you guys can see, it's we have been building a big fair value area right here, big fair value area. So people are buying and selling right there a lot, and yeah, we have huge volume in here, huge volume. So yeah, that was let me right here. So as you guys can see, that was all. But as you guys can see, and we had also a big momentum up. So yeah, I always try to buy at a very deep price, very deep down and a cheap price. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys liked it, um, hit a thumbs up and write a comment. And if you guys want to ask me any questions or anything, I'm very active in the Telegram group. So if you guys have any questions, just ask me in the Telegram group. And I have a course available. If you guys are interested, it will be a link down below. Um, and follow my Telegram group, which will also be linked down below. So yeah, all my information will be linked down below. Hope you all are having an amazing day, and bye bye.